This is the Revolt 1000 watts sold by Phanteks with a current MSRP of $199.99 US. It is a fully modular ATX 3.0 power supply with an additional hybrid fan mode allowing passive operation for low loads. The power supply comes in reasonable packaging and measures 150 by 84 by 160 millimeters. Considering cable flexibility, it has an effective depth of 160 millimeters. The Revolt 1000 watt is accompanied by the accessories as shown and supported by a 12-year warranty. This warranty period is outstanding for a power supply of this class. This power supply does not come with any cables by default. Instead, cable kits are available for separate purchase, or you can opt for custom cables from CableMod. This design is marketed as a benefit, allowing you to tailor the cable length and style to your preferences, though it does require an additional purchase. LTT Labs conducted all of the following testing at an ambient temperature of 20 degrees Celsius. The full test suite, including tests at extended temperature ranges, is available on the lab's website linked in the description. But before we get to the test results, here's a message from our sponsor. Thanks to Private Internet Access for sponsoring this video. We've been using their secure, high-speed VPN for years, and you can too. Get a special deal by going to pia.com/PSUcircuit. The Revolt 1000 watt carries an 80+ platinum rating, and we have measured 92% efficiency at 50% of its maximum rated load. That is slightly lower than power supplies in a similar class. Throughout the full rated output power range of 1000 watts, there was a 0.121 voltage drop on the 12-volt rail inside of ATX specifications and similar to other power supplies we've tested. The rest of the output rails met ATX specifications. This performance is as expected and will support a variety of component configurations. The peak-to-peak signal ripple of the fully loaded power supply's 12-volt rail was average for its price and wattage at 35 millivolts, while the 5-volt and 3.3-volt rails had signal ripple of 26 millivolts and 33 millivolts, respectively. Modern power supplies typically have no issue complying with ATX ripple specifications, and this unit is no different. We test a power supply's resilience to momentary power dropouts and ripples using our brownout test that interrupts the input power for a few milliseconds. This allows us to measure how long of a power dropout the sample can sustain without interrupting the output power. The Revolt 1000 watt was measured to withstand a 17 millisecond dropout at full rated load for both 115 volt and 230 volt inputs. This is high and is a good option if power reliability is an issue. The Excursion test momentarily applies up to 200% of the rated load to test a power supply's ability to support components that may temporarily require more than their rated current. The Revolt 1000 watt withstood a subset of the Excursions but failed with others. It is compatible with most systems but may struggle with high-end hardware connected. The Revolt 1000 watt is equipped with the protections as listed, providing the full suite of protections for you and your equipment. We measured the overpower protection to engage at a maximum of 140% of rated load, while the 12-volt rail alone is capable of 116 amps, 139% of its rating. This is equivalent to similarly rated power supplies, offering good protection against component faults, while also allowing the power draw to slightly exceed the official rating. We recommend the Revolt 1000 watt because of its stable voltage regulation on the 12-volt rail and its resilience to brownouts. For full specifications and test results, follow the link to the product page on the LTT Labs website.